What if everything you've been told about permanent hair loss is wrong? For decades, millions have resigned themselves to watching their hairlines retreat and their confidence crumble along with it. The beauty industry has fed us an endless stream of temporary band-aids, expensive shampoos, dubious oils, and treatments that promise the world but deliver disappointment. But here's where it gets controversial. What if the real solution has been hiding in plain sight, and the pharmaceutical industry is finally ready to admit that true hair regeneration is possible? The harsh reality is that hair loss devastates far more than just our appearance. It strips away self-confidence and forces people into a psychological battle they never asked to fight. Traditional remedies have essentially been elaborate placebos, offering false hope while the underlying problem continues to worsen. Most treatments available today merely mask the symptoms or temporarily slow down the inevitable, never actually addressing why hair follicles shut down in the first place. But science has just thrown us a curveball that could change everything. Researchers have unveiled findings from a groundbreaking study listed on clinicaltrials.gov that introduces PP405, a revolutionary compound created by Pelage Pharmaceuticals. This isn't another empty promise. It's a treatment that actually awakens sleeping hair follicle stem cells and kickstarts genuine hair regeneration from within. During their Phase 2A clinical investigation, participants who consistently applied PP405 over an 8-week period witnessed remarkable transformations, with nearly 1/3 experiencing hair density increases exceeding 20%. And this is the part most people miss. While popular treatments like minoxidil and finasteride merely attempt to halt further hair loss, PP405 takes a completely different approach by directly targeting the dormant cellular mechanisms responsible for hair production. The study documented remarkably few adverse reactions since the treatment works locally on scalp tissue, rather than affecting your entire system. For individuals battling thinning hair or complete bald areas, PP405 represents the first throughout our lives. Various factors including the natural aging process, chronic stress, fluctuating hormone levels, and environmental toxins gradually cause these crucial cells to cease normal operation. When stem cells become inactive, hair follicles begin shrinking or completely halt hair production, resulting in visible thinning or bare patches across the scalp. PP405 directly interacts with these cellular structures to restore their original functionality, enabling hair follicles to return to their natural, healthy growth patterns. Traditional hair loss interventions typically concentrate on reducing hair shedding rates or enhancing blood circulation to scalp tissues. But PP405 tackles the fundamental biological mechanisms driving hair loss. By specifically targeting dormant stem cells, this innovative treatment encourages follicles to generate fresh hair strands through natural processes. Clinical evidence demonstrates that trial participants observed measurable hair growth even in regions that had been completely bald for years, establishing PP405 as a genuinely distinctive and encouraging option for both men and women dealing with androgenetic alopecia or widespread hair thinning. The revolutionary mechanism. How PP405 reawakens dead follicles. The scientific foundation of PP405 centers on elevating lactate concentrations within scalp tissue, which delivers essential energy directly to dormant hair follicle stem cells. Inactive cells need this specific energy source to restart their natural hair manufacturing processes. Through lactate level enhancement. Throughout the Phase 2A investigation, participants documented hair growth not only in thinning regions, but also in areas that had been completely bald, proving that PP405 can revitalize scalp tissue and restore natural hair density. Consistent PP405 application helps sustain healthy follicle function and encourages reliable extended hair regrowth, rather than temporary cosmetic improvements or superficial coverage. Breakthrough clinical results that challenge everything we know. The Phase 2A clinical investigation for PP405 included 78 participants who administered the treatment to their scalps daily throughout an 8-week period. The outcomes exceeded expectations dramatically. 31% of participants experienced hair density increases surpassing 20%. Additionally, the majority of participants documented significant improvements in hair thickness, texture, and comprehensive scalp coverage. Adverse effects remained minimal because the treatment operates locally on scalp tissue without substantial bloodstream absorption. These findings validate that PP405 delivers both effectiveness and safety for continuous use. Following the Phase 2A success, Phase 3 trials are scheduled to commence in 2026, testing effectiveness across larger populations over extended timeframes. If these trials succeed, PP405 could become the first treatment capable of regenerating hair from dormant follicles rather than simply concealing hair loss. Why PP405 could trigger a hair loss treatment revolution? PP405 signifies a fundamental shift in hair loss treatment approaches. Current market treatments primarily focus on decreasing hair shedding or improving scalp circulation. PP405 addresses the core source of hair loss by reactivating dormant hair follicle stem cells, allowing the natural hair growth cycle to resume, producing longer-lasting outcomes. Topical application creates a safe alternative for extended use, minimizing systemic side effect risks. By restoring natural hair follicle function, PP405 provides a straightforward, effective, and sustainable approach for anyone seeking to recover thicker, healthier hair. Its cellular-level action ensures hair regrowth occurs naturally and permanently, rather than creating temporary cosmetic effects. But here's where it gets controversial. If this treatment proves as effective as early data suggests, it could completely disrupt the billion-dollar hair loss industry that has profited from offering incomplete solutions for decades. The future landscape. What PP405 could mean for hair loss. While PP405 isn't yet commercially available, preliminary clinical evidence appears extraordinarily promising. Should Phase 3 trials validate its benefits, this treatment could completely redefine hair restoration for millions worldwide. Users might recover thicker, healthier hair without requiring surgical interventions or complicated treatment regimens. Its capacity to stimulate dormant follicles and address underlying hair loss causes represents a major breakthrough, particularly for individuals who have experienced limited success with existing therapies. As research advances, PP405 may provide a safer, more accessible approach for long-term hair regeneration. Dermatologists and patients are anxiously anticipating broader PP405 availability. Its potential extends beyond simple hair regrowth. Like emphasizing follicle rejuvenation and long-term scalp health, PP405 might establish new standards for hair loss treatment, shifting away from temporary solutions toward genuine, permanent results, while enhancing hair strength, shine, and overall scalp vitality for sustained confidence and wellness. The timeline reality. When will this game-changer arrive? Official announcements haven't been made since PP405 clinical trials remain ongoing. While early results show promise, the approval process involves lengthy and rigorous evaluation procedures. Current estimates suggest availability could require 5 to 7 years. But here's what nobody's talking about. This timeline could be the industry's way of managing expectations while they figure out how to integrate a treatment that actually works into a market built on recurring purchases of temporary solutions. So here's my question for you. If a treatment could genuinely restore your hair permanently, would you wait years for regulatory approval? Or would you want researchers to fast-track this breakthrough? And more controversially, do you think the current hair loss industry actually wants a permanent solution to exist? Or do they profit more from keeping you dependent on temporary fixes? What's your take on this potential breakthrough? Are you skeptical that anything could actually regrow hair from completely bald areas? Or do you believe science has finally cracked the code? Share your thoughts. I'm curious whether you think this represents genuine hope or just another overhyped treatment destined to disappoint.